Plysolene, based in West Sussex, has been manufacturing extruded thermoplastic sheet for over 40 years for a wide range of industries. With 5 core products, the team at Plysolene is highly experienced in turning around customer solutions in short lead times. Their flexibility, speed, and excellent customer service underpins Plysolene's ongoing success. Plyform HIPS is a high-impact polystyrene HIPS sheet that has excellent physical properties, making it ideal for point-of-sale and product packaging. It's tough and easy to thermoform and fabricate, and can be produced in any colour and in varying thicknesses and widths. Plyform ABS is a rigid, high-impact thermoplastic sheet that is ideal for a wide range of vacuum-formed applications, including encasings, automotive and durable point-of-sale applications. Plyform ABS is available with a smooth or pin seal embossed surface in a wide range of performance grades and in any colour, including acrylic capped, high heat stabilised, fire retardant with VO and R118 certification, and eco recycled. Minimum order quantities from 500 kilograms. Plysolene PIB is a market-leading waterproofing membrane for pipework and ventilation ductwork, with outstanding properties over a wide temperature range, from -30 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. The Plyload range of polymeric damp-proof course again has outstanding physical and chemical properties. It's a high-quality damp-proof course that is BBA approved and outperforms the traditional British standard. For those customers who require less than 500 kilograms of material, Plysolene offers an off-the-shelf service. With no minimum order quantity, you can order complete sheets or bespoke cut sizes of ABS, HIPS and PETG, produced to high quality standards and dispatched with rapid delivery options. As a bulk manufacturer and off-the-shelf supplier, Plysolene can offer you tailored cost solutions for your needs, resulting in flexibility and savings.